Okay, I'm going to show you how to wire up the Outback replacement radio here. So it'll come with wires. This is the CAN bus box. This black plug plugs in here. And then you take these two with the pink and black and orange and white, and they go to each side for the heater controls. Doesn't matter which side. So those go there. This pink and white one goes in here. They only go into one way, so you can't mess it up. It'll only go in one plug. So there's that, and then the antenna goes here, and that is it for that plug. The rest of these will go into the car. These all get plugged into the car, and they only go in one way, so you can't mess it up. So there's that part. Okay, now we'll move on to this plug here. This has got your RCAs and the fan control and your SIM card. So this only fits in one direction, one spot, and the blue plug's there. And it's got your RCA outputs, RCA inputs. It's got your subwoofer and some random camera inputs. And then it's got this black and blue. This goes to the fan on the back of the radio. So that goes to here. And that controls the fan on the back of the radio. And you've got this one for your rear view camera. So this one hooks in here, and then it hooks into your camera 1 that is going to this plug, because this is the camera plug from the car. So this plugs in here, so your rear camera will work. Like I said, this is for a SIM card, but nobody uses it. This is your GPS antenna, and this goes on here, and then you run it somewhere in the car. I just ran it up under the dash, under the center speaker. This is for the 4G. Don't really need that. Then this is your microphone. So this would hook to here if you want to run an external mic. This also has an internal microphone here. It works okay, but if it doesn't work, you can always run the external mic to wherever you want for your calls. And then there are USB plugs that come with it. If you want to run a USB, there's 3 of them. You can run it to wherever you want, or you can buy an adapter to adapt your Subaru USB plug to it, but I don't really see the need for a USB plug. It's all wireless Android Auto, so there's no need to plug it in. And it also comes with a plug that has all the wires on it. In case you don't want to use the factory wiring, you can just use aftermarket everything and use this plug. And that's about it. And now we'll go get it in the car. Okay, so we've got the radio here, and we're putting it in the dash of the 2018 Subaru Outback. Check my other videos on the Kinetic Vehicles channel for the removal of the stock radio. So I've got my subwoofer RCAs here. That's already hooked up to the green. That's for the subwoofer. This is the GPS antenna. I just put it up here in the center. You can kind of see it up in there. It gets a good signal through the speaker grill up there. These are the 2 modules. This is the Starlink module, and this is the, I forget what it's called, but this is what makes your car go. So you need to have those hooked up. Your front speakers won't work without the Starlink module, and your car won't work without that. And then everything else has its own plug that plugs into your factory wiring. So you just plug it in, and it's all set to go. So I'll plug it in and be right back. Okay, it's all plugged in. You can see everything just goes in its own connector. They only go in one direction, so you can't mess it up. So just all the white plugs get plugged in, and that's it for hooking it up. And then to put it in, you have to take these clips off the back of your old stereo and to make them fit in here. So the old stereo and the old heater controls have clips on the back, so you need to take those off and put them on the back of the radio. And then as neatly as you can, get all your wires back in there, and then this will go right in, and then it'll just snap into place. This is hard doing it one-handed. It'll just snap in, and there you have it. It's all snapped in. And then put this back in, and it goes, there's clips back there that'll go on the stereo and into the car. So we'll get those clipped in. And it's all set, ready to go.